Welcome to my series where I solve problems from Olympiads and other maths challenges. In these videos I'll be solving the problem, and sometimes I'll give extensions that will stretch your maths further, or general tips for solving problems of
We're
this
looking at
type.
question 21 from the AMC8 in 2017. Suppose A, B, and C are non-zero real numbers and A plus B plus C equals 0. What are the possible values of this? Okay, let's just look at this expression here. Just so you know, these square brackets basically mean if it's positive, it stays positive. If it's negative, you make it positive. So what does this mean? For example, this we call it the modulus. The modulus of 5 is 5, but also the modulus of negative 5 is 5. You might see it called modulus or also absolute value. The idea is that you're just interested in the size of the number, not the number itself. So what does it mean when you divide something by its modulus? So this thing here, a divided by mod a. Well, let's just think about, let's go for a concrete example. Let's say you had negative 3 divided by the modulus of negative 3. Well, that just means negative 3 divided by 3, which is negative 1. If we had 3 divided by the modulus of 3, well, that just becomes 3 over 3, which becomes 1. So clearly, when you divide something by its modulus, you just get the sign. If you divide a positive number by its modulus, you get 1. If you divide a negative number by its modulus, you get negative 1. All right? So that's what these three things here are doing. It's just a series of ones or negative ones. All right? And likewise for this thing at the end. Now, let's have a look at this expression here, a plus b plus c. Now, a plus b plus c equals 0. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that one of them has to be positive and two of them are negative, or so this one could be like positive, negative, negative, or it's positive, positive, negative, and it doesn't matter the order of them. They're all indistinguishable, they're all interchangeable. So now we can use this fact to decide that ABC, so ABC is either made from a positive times a negative times a negative, in which case it's positive, or it's going to be a positive times a positive times a negative, in which case it's going to be negative. So A, B, and ABC can either be positive or negative. So let's have a look at these, the options. We're going to have positive 1, minus 1, minus 1, plus 1. That's in this case when we have a positive and two negatives, in which case it would be 0. Or we can have a positive, and a negative, in which case it's going to be positive plus positive minus 1 and then you're going to have a positive and a positive times the negative, which will be negative, which will be minus 1, which will still be 0. So there's actually only one possible value for this, which is 0. So it's quite an interesting function. No matter what goes in, the value will always be 0.
If you found this video helpful or interesting, please hit the like button, let me know why in the comments below, and of course subscribe so you won't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, see you next time.